Mix lemon with garlic to eliminate abdominal swelling, fatty liver, and gas accumulation in the stomach. This powerful combination is a definitive solution to these problems. Its consumption will help you lose weight quickly when taken properly, without the need to exercise or resort to miraculous diets. This is the true recipe for the anti-inflammatory drink that has gone viral due to its excellent results. To prepare this powerful mix, you will only need 2 common ingredients that you probably have at home. Lemon and garlic. Start with 3 lemons, which you must wash carefully and cut into slices. Experts recommend consuming lemon to prevent abdominal swelling throughout the day and improve digestion, as it promotes the secretion of gastric juices. Lemon can also help regenerate your liver by promoting the formation of new enzymes. In a glass container with a lid, place the lemon slices and let them rest for a few minutes. Next, peel a head of garlic and use 3 teeth, which you must peel and finely chop. Garlic is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, which are necessary to stimulate liver functions. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a healthy choice if you suffer from fatty liver. Garlic acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate excess water and sodium from the body through the kidneys. It is also beneficial for improving digestion and controlling stomach gases naturally. This recipe has been used for many generations, but is little known due to the reluctance of some doctors to disclose it. By combining lemon with garlic, you will be able to eliminate abdominal swelling, fatty liver, and gas accumulation in the stomach, as well as lose weight quickly and strengthen your immune system. Now, in the container with a lid where we previously reserved the lemon, add the 3 garlic cloves. Finally, completely cover the ingredients with fresh honey. Although it may surprise some, honey can be used to lose weight. Although it is generally recommended to minimize the consumption of sugars, replacing refined sugar with honey can help you achieve your goals without giving up on sweetness. In addition, several studies have related the consumption of honey with better rest and weight loss, making it an excellent ally in this regard. All of our recipes are created with love and with the purpose of providing natural and affordable solutions. We are very grateful for the support you give us, and we are open to any comment or recommendation. At this point, cover the container and let it rest for 48 hours for the properties to activate. After that time, uncover the container and consume 2 tablespoons a day. You will notice an improvement in a short time, and you will reduce that belly that makes you feel as if you were pregnant without being. Thank you for your support. Greetings, and until the next video.